Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how to use TinyTask, the easiest free automation tool for Windows. Now here's how to use it. Click record, then do whatever you want TinyTask to automate. For example, right-click on your desktop, select New Folder, and drag it to another spot. When you're finished, click Stop. To replay what you recorded, hit play, and TinyTask will repeat your exact actions automatically. If you want to save your recording as a file you can run anytime, click the Save icon. It says .exe, give it a name, and save it. Now, whenever you double-click that file, it'll perform your recorded actions instantly. You can also open the Preferences menu to adjust playback speed, loop the recording endlessly, or set hotkeys for recording and playback. And that's it. That's how you use TinyTask to automate anything on your PC, step by step. If this video helped you out, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.